Hootenanny. It's choreographed by John Robinson and is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance. It has a restart on wall 4 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart, and then we're going to go through and do 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Hootenanny. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to step your right foot to the side and slightly forward into that right diagonal. We're now going to do a left sailor step, crossing your left behind your right foot to the side, left foot to the side. We're now going to do a right sailor step, crossing your right foot behind your left foot to the side, right foot to the side. We're now going to weave, crossing our left behind our right, step your right foot to the right side and cross your left over your right. You're now going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder to face 130, doing a double stomp with your right foot, stomp, stomp, and on your last stomp, you're going to take weight onto that right foot. So let's try it with some counts. Stepping to the right, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to do toe struts with hip bumps. So you're going to take your left toe, you're going to touch it forward into the right diagonal or 130, and as you touch, you're going to bump your hip left, right, and as you bump back to the left, you're going to take weight onto your left foot. You're now going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder to face 3 o'clock, and you're going to take your right toe, touch it forward, and as you touch, you're going to bump your hip right, left, and then you're going to drop your right heel as you bump your hip to the right and take weight onto that right foot. We're now going to do a syncopated rocking chair forward. So we're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto our right, rock back with your left foot, recover forward on your right, and then we're going to do a left triple forward, stepping left forward, right together, left forward. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our double stomp into the 130 diagonal. You're going to do your toe struts. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 3, we're going to do side rock crosses. So you're going to rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and cross your right over your left. You're now going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and cross your left over your right. We're now going to do a half turning gliding box. So we're going to step back with our right foot, making a 1/4 turn over our left shoulder, and you're going to drag that left toe slightly into your right. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side at 12 o'clock, dragging that right toe slightly into your left. We're now going to make a 1/4 turn over our left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, slightly dragging that left toe in and doing a double clap. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our triple forward. You're going to do your side rock cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do toe heel stomps with the left and the right. So you're going to take your left toe, you're going to touch it in and next to your right with your left knee slightly pointed in. You're going to do your left heel forward with a slight scuff and then step down with your left foot. We're going to repeat that with the right. So you're going to bring your right toe in and next to your left with your knee pointed in towards the left. You're going to do your right heel forward with a slight scuff, and you're going to step forward with your right foot. You're now going to rock forward onto your left, recover back onto your right, and you can do a big step back with your left, dragging your right foot into your left, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right. We just did our double clap. You're doing your toe heel step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your step with the right. Side, sailor, step, weave, behind, side, cross, 8, stomp, stomp, toe strut with bump, 8, toe strut with a bump, rocking chair, and your shuffle forward. Side rock cross, 1/4 side, 1/4 double clap. Toe heel stomp, toe heel step, rock, recover, back, drag. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on that left foot. You're stepping with your right. 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. We will be facing 3 o'clock doing the 4th rotation of the dance, or the 4th wall. So let's dance up to that 16 counts so that you know where that restart happens. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your step with your right side. Sailor step, weave behind, side cross, a stomp, stomp. Left toe strut, hip bump, a toe strut, hip bump, syncopated rocking chair, and your shuffle forward. Right here, ending that triple forward or your shuffle forward, this is where you're going to restart with your side sailor step. You'll be facing 6 o'clock and you'll be ready to start the dance all over again. That is the only restart in the dance. The dance naturally ends facing 12 o'clock with your rock, recover, drag. A lot of people, when they dance it, at the very end, when they do that drag, it says, a farm party don't. And a lot of people will loudly say, stop, or they'll put their hand up and say, stop. It kind of fits the music and it adds a little bit of extra fun in. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 5 walls of the dance so that we can practice the transition from the restart into the next wall. Weight is starting on your left foot. We're stepping with our right. Side, sailor step, behind, side cross, 8 stomp, stomp, toe strut, hip bump, 8 toe strut, hip bump, rocking chair, and your triple forward. Side rock cross, quarter side, quarter double clap. Toe heel step, rock, recover, back drag, step to the side, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, side, sailor step, weave, double stomp, toe strut, 8 toe strut, rocking chair, and your triple forward, side rock cross. Now you're gliding, turning box, toe heel step, rock, recover, back drag, 16 counts, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, restart, side, sailor step, behind, side cross, 8 stomp, stomp, toe strut, 8 toe strut. Now your rocking chair, triple forward, side rock cross, quarter side, quarter double clap, toe heel step, rock, recover, back drag. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice it as much as you would like so that you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Hootenanny. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.